Hey everyone, Rachel here, welcome back to Travels of a Single Lady. Welcome back for the last instalment of my Fjords cruise on P&O Britannia in September 2018. In this one, I'll be showing you what a Great British Sailaway looks like, although out of Bergen it was a Great British Sailor Long rather than a Sailaway. We weren't allowed to start the party until out of a certain zoning area. Normally the Great British Sailways are out of the last port of the cruise, and I don't usually go, it's not really my cup of tea, but thought you might like to see some of what goes on after we go to the Sailaway as the last 2 evenings and going home. So sit back, relax, enjoy the last one of this series, and I'll see you on the other side of the video.
This one is a trip back to the 60s. I'm going to give you a little bit of a taster for it. Sometimes I get this right, don't I, Dan? And sometimes I get it wrong. If it goes right, it's quite a shock, really. So I'm going to have a little practice first. Well, you know, you make me wanna shout. Try this. This is always better. I know they always shout. Let's try this then. You know, you make me wanna... That's not bad. Every time you hear the word shout, put your flags in there. Just... What? No, not yet, not yet. I'll do it again, just for you. Well, you know, you make me wanna... Brilliant. So, right, flags in the air, right up in the air there, that's great. And as we go on the bridge, we all cheer after 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Start cheering now. Keep it going. Keep going. Keep going, keep going. Keep going, keep going. Keep going. One more for luck. When it gets to the blue funnel, one last cheer after 3, 1, 2, 3. Great British Sailaway, I need you real close. Let's all do this together on your feet. It is time to get all patriotic. Follow us. Everyone, what a great story today. The best photo of the day. Ladies and gentlemen, 3 cheers for Britannia and the godmother, Her Majesty the Queen. Hip hip! And I thought, we can't leave this out, can we? Let's all do it together, get a bit emotional, flags in the air.
morning everyone. So it's the last morning, I'm packed. I've just got my hand luggage to carry off with me. But I had to film this because it makes the most fantastic of sounds. Cruise ship bathrooms always make weird noises anyway because it's a suction flush. But mine seems to pop and it's great. Take a listen. Makes me chuckle every time. So I will be leaving my cabin in a moment. And I've got to go down to Headliners Theatre. Disembarkation time is 8:45, but it'll probably be before that. It's really early. It's Sunday morning. I didn't sleep very well last night either. I'll have a quick look out the balcony before we go. One last look. So we got in like before 7 o'clock this morning. Look, this is where they're getting all the luggage off. So we'll see it soon. And then just in the distance over there, you can see Celebrity Silhouette waiting. She's also docked in today. She's the only other ship in today, I believe. There's already people getting off, but they chose the self-disembarkation option, which means they have to carry everything off themselves. And I was not down for that. Not with the size of my suitcase anyway. So probably the next time I speak to you will be at Memory Services, where I will be stopping for a Costa coffee because I need a mocha this morning. I am tired. But I'll see you soon. Bye. Right. Good morning everybody. It is currently 8:20. I am in the car park. I am back at my car. There is Britannia there. And I am gonna head home and definitely have a nap when I get there. I'll see you later. Bye. Hey everyone, me again. I hope you enjoyed Sail Along Party. Final formal night, a peek into the other solo travellers I ate with every evening. They were all lovely people and such fantastic characters. As well as a last casual night with them, some of the North Sea and sailing back into Southampton. Plus my warning for the captain when it came up on my phone at 11 PM. As I said at the beginning, this is the last in my Britannia series and I haven't cruised for 10 months now. I need to get another one booked. It's currently 308 days till the next one next year. But don't worry, the next series will be a short trip to Gibraltar that my parents went on. So look out for all the dad jokes coming there. And after that will be a series from Canada. I spent 2 weeks of May out in British Columbia with one of my best friends, Charlie. So Charlie left and went out there to live and is doing fantastic out there. So the trip was a fantastic opportunity for me to go and see him. So I went to stay with him and Jason and I can't wait to share it with you. It was such a great trip. And I can't wait to share that with you all. So if you want to see that, like this video, comment down below, subscribe to the channel for more. And if you do subscribe, click that notification bell so you get a notification every time I upload a new video. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video, which is gonna be a completely different series. Bye guys.